Okay, 3.8 moves into understanding the coordinate grid better and their ordered pairs used to graph points. If you'll notice, this is something you should study. The quadrants are, notice there's 4 quads. Quad means 4. There's quadrant 1, 2, 3, 4. It goes counterclockwise. And they want you to pick up on that in quadrant 1, values are a positive, 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 positive. Quadrant 2, it's a negative, positive. Quadrant 3, negative, negative. Quadrant 4, positive, negative. So when we have it ordered pairs, those would be the signs, okay? So we're going to look at unlock the problem here. The point -3, 4 represents the location of a bookstore on a map. Identify the quadrant. So that's why we want to learn these. The x, what is the x coordinate of the point? -3. What is the y coordinate? 4. Okay, so just so you know the difference, this is always x, always y. X and y. Find the quadrant that -3, 4 lies in. The x coordinate is -3. So the point is blank units to the blank of the origin. So it is 3 units to the left. Okay, 3 units to the left. Since the point is to the left of the origin, it must be located. Here's the origin. So it's going to be over here. It's either got to be in quadrant 2 or quadrant 3. It's in one of these. We have to know now, do we go up or down? We're going to look at the y coordinate. The y coordinate is 4. So the point is 4 units up from the origin. So it goes up to here. So the point is above the origin. It must be located in quadrant 2. Okay. Check by graphing the point, -3, 4 on the coordinate plane. So the point representing the bookstore, so I'm going to come over here, -3, +4, right here, the bookstore, okay, is in quadrant 2. Look at the signs of the coordinates of points in quadrants 1 and 2. What do they have in common? How are they different? So let's just pretend. This one was in quadrant 2. Q2 was -3, 4. So a point in quadrant 1, so I'll just come over here and go +3, 3, 3, 3. So points in quadrant 2 have a negative x, a negative x value, but, so that's different, have, but both, I'm going to say but both have positive y's. Something simpler. So they have opposite x's, but same sign y's. Okay. Turn the page. This page is optional. It does talk about line of symmetry. Things can be folded, and they talk here about how those signs make a difference. You can go through that on your own. We're going to skip right to this and complete. So that's basically the lesson.